अरे वहाँ पे
Oh, sorry, no.
I'm so sorry. This is
My
stroke.
wife had a stroke. But he suffered severe stroke on
When?
last year, 8 at midnight. We immediately sent to Kanpur. Thereafter to Dormanagar. I was by the time.
We were talking about him yesterday. I was in Dasda, Kamchitpur, and we were just remembering your father. And then today,
Yeah.
what was his age?
7th class.
Kemudian setelah meeting ada konten itu sih komen nanti. Kontak WhatsApp-nya ayam.
Apa nih?